Welcome back to another episode of the R.A.D skate park check-in. I am VINCENT BASILE, and like always, Anthony BIONDO behind the lens. Today we arrived at the Passaic skate park right here in New Jersey. Episode 5. We are just outside of New York City. We have conquered New York City, did all the parks there, I think excluding one indoor park, the Vans, and Long Island skate parks. So guys, check out those videos. And while we're on the subject of doing things, why don't you guys please help us out and hit that like button. Please subscribe, please help us grow the channel. So the parks we went to already was the West New York skate park in New Jersey, Castle Point, Berry Lane, and Hockey Rink skate park in Jersey City. So check out those videos if you guys have not already. All right, enough talking. Let's get inside the Passaic skate park right here in New Jersey, right outside of NYC. Come on in. All right guys, we're gonna head off right to the right, which is pretty much 2/4 pipes built into the concrete ground, but the spacing is like perfect where you have yourself a nice little mini ramp section. As we proceed to give you what you need, we got a bank right here.
Yeah, it's really not much of a takeoff zone, to be honest, because there's no top.
Oh,
like,
yeah.
It's very limited.
It's very limited, I agree. You got like a couple inches. Not that much top. Got some drainage going on. And then guys, like same thing with this top. Wanted to get a takeoff spot. They have that here, and you can see the speed bump right there. So let's just show you that. You can catch some speed. It looks like they hit the side of it. Little roller, speed bump. Right here is a nice flat bar, tan rail built right into the ground. These benches are here. As you can see, they're not lined up. I don't know why it ended up like this. They could have spaced it out, but what I'm looking at is I'm looking at 2 benches that are just put in a skate park. That's what I'm looking at. The nice quarter pipe, it's got a little hole in it. You give you a little extra detail to the feature. The coping, which is definitely different. This is more like a pool style coping. It's a lot more crustier. It's a nice day though. Hope they don't pour on us. It's like beautiful out, but then like you never know, right? There's always that like
A dark cloud.
what is that, you know? Like, are we gonna have a problem? I hope not. The main section of the park, I like what I see. I like the manual pad fun box. It's just jammed right against the A-frame hubba, the A-frame kicker, and then you have a kicker to kicker with an A-frame round bar. A-frame section, perfect fun box. The only thing unperfect about this place is the way the ground is laid out with all the cracks. Bring a broom, because there's obviously trees everywhere and sticks and shit all over the place. You know how that goes, guys. You know, you all get caught up. You're in a line, you're doing your best line ever, and then all of a sudden, wham, you're done. So that's what we're working with here, guys. I said what I said. I stand on it. And you already know what I'm about to say. Clip time, clippy time, clip time. We got a blow over. Why is this in here? Boulder. Ground report sucks because I already fell. Every time I throw my board down, I'm like going for the feature and I'm like, ah, rock, stick, rock, rock, stick, rock. It's not good. That hurt. All right, everyone, thank you for watching. I am so beat. Fell the other day, twisted ankle, my wrist, sunburn, excuse after excuse. I did not do the park justice, did not like the ground. Passaic skate park here in New Jersey was alright. Could have did better, but features were okay. Super duper hot, so I was just struggling pretty much the whole video through. Not my best performance, but I made it here. I showed you the features and you know, I did what I could. Like I said, don't forget to smash on that like button. Just help us grow by watching the channel, telling a friend. I know we're helping out because you guys are checking out the parks and you're getting around because I'm seeing you and you're telling me. So I appreciate you guys for doing all that. Definitely check out R.A.D Boardsport on Instagram. I know everyone's on IG. Check out the website. Please, if you guys are liking what we are doing and you want to support what we do, please cop from the website, www.radboardsport.co. Hats, t-shirts, shorts, pants, fanny packs, all types of stuff. Go check out the website. It's summertime now. Don't be inside all day. And I want to tell you guys the most important thing. Do not forget to ride all day.